have bad habits?
It's real sensitive. I need to tone everything down quite a bit.
I hope I'm getting it because I can't see it.
And it's a dot.
Ethan!
Timer stopped.
Get it out! Let's race! I got my new battery!
Timer start.
Sweet! Okay, I found it. Now I can.
Power up slow.
Don't jam the throttle on it because it'll pitch over on you.
They land some gliders like that.
With the nose,
Yeah,
like a dart.
I couldn't do that.
No.
Doesn't make sense, huh?
1 minute. Timer stopped.
I get right back on the
Shoot, bro.
Greased it. Oh, yeah.